Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are highly welcome to Osi Hair Lounge, a channel that is dedicated to bringing you the most stylish, trendy and inspiring nail designs and hairstyles. Okay, so if you want to take your nail game to the next level, kindly do join this channel, okay, by smashing the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos immediately we upload in the channel. To you, my returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Guys, will not take for granted. We love you guys, we appreciate your support, and please guys, keep supporting us and keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. So if you're just coming across, just subscribe. If you have been watching our videos, you are most welcome once again. Thank you so much. So guys, today we have gorgeous and trending nail design for my ladies. These are very unique and stylish nail art designs to take your nail game to the next level. So if you are looking forward to be getting styles like this, nail styles like this, just do watch from beginning to the end. And trust when I say you'll be blown away with the amazing collections that we have here. So guys, we have it in different styles, okay, different nail art, different shapes and designs. So just watch it, pick your favorite slide, and as well share it to your loved ones so they can be part of the video as well. If you are looking for hairstyles, just go into our channel, we have it. Remember, we have varieties, so if this is not actually what you want, go check all of our videos out, okay. You'll be blown away with the amazing collections that we bring to this channel. And as you watch our videos, kindly do like, comment and share. We wait for your lovely comment in the comment section. Just tell us, will you be trying any of these nail designs? Let us know in the comment section. And as we're looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Bye.